Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Python using an easy method. Start by setting up your Python environment. I recommend using a popular code editor like VS Code, offering excellent features for beginners. Dive into the absolute basics. Understand variables, different data types like integers and strings, and simple operations. Immediately apply what you learn by writing small, functional scripts. This hands-on approach builds a strong foundation for your Python journey. Next, focus on mastering core programming concepts. This includes control flow statements such as if-else conditions and various types of loops, like for and while loops, which are crucial for decision-making and repetition. Then, explore functions to encapsulate reusable blocks of code, making your programs more modular. Dedicate about 20 to 30 minutes each day to solving small coding challenges. Consistent practice is vital for improvement. As you progress, delve into Python's essential data structures. Understand how to use lists for ordered collections, dictionaries for key-value pairs, and tuples for immutable sequences. Next, familiarize yourself with Python's extensive standard library and popular external libraries like NumPy or Pandas for data manipulation. To truly solidify your knowledge, start a small personal project. This could be a simple calculator or a text-based game, applying everything you've learned. Finally, consider exploring more advanced topics like object-oriented programming, which helps structure larger applications. Don't forget the power of community. Join online forums or local meetups to ask questions and learn from others. Regularly review your own code and seek feedback. Consistent learning, active participation, and reflective practice are the best ways to ensure continuous growth and mastery in your Python programming skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.